Good morning, children. Welcome back. I am Mrs. Sitara, your social science teacher. In today's session, we will discuss the evaluation part of Chapter 3, Municipalities and Corporations. Come, children, let us complete it. Roman number 1. Fill in the blanks. First question. The oldest corporation of Tamil Nadu is dash. Tell me the answer, children. Very correct. It is Chennai. 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 Second question. The father of local government is. The father of local government is. Can anyone give the answer? Correct. It is Lord Ripon. L-O-R-D. Lord R-I-P-O-N. Ripon. Lord Ripon is the father of local self-government. Moving to question number 3. The Balwant Rai Mehta Committee recommended a 3-tier Panchayat Raj system in the year. I repeat the question. The Balwant Rai Mehta Committee recommended a 3-tier Panchayat Raj system in the year. What's the answer? Yes, that is right. 1957. The committee recommended in 1957 about the 3-tier Panchayat Raj. Moving on to question number 4. The tenure of municipality is dash years. The tenure of municipality is. What's the answer? Correct. It is 5 years. The tenure of municipality as well as corporation is 5 years. Moving on to Roman number 2, match the following. First question, rural local body. Rural local body. The answer is Grama Panchayat. Rural local body is Grama Panchayat. Question number 2, Ripon building. Question number 2, Ripon building. Lord Ripon. Ripon building, Lord Ripon. Question number 3, Neyveli. Neyveli is a township. Neyveli township. Question number 4, Town Panchayat. Town Panchayat, more than 5,000 people. Town Panchayat, more than 5,000 people. Mayor, corporation. Mayor, corporation. I repeat the answers once again. Rural local body, Grama Panchayat. Ripon building, Lord Ripon. Neyveli township. Town Panchayat, more than 5,000 people. Mayor, corporation. Moving on to Roman number 3, fill in the box. A tabular column is given. Whichever is left blank, we have to fill it. First one, head. For municipality, the head of the municipality is a chairperson. And for corporation, it is a mayor. M-A-Y-O-R, mayor. Number 2, number. For corporation, 15 are there. There are 15 corporations. And for municipality, it is 148. 148 municipalities and 15 corporations in Tamil Nadu. Number 3, tenure. Tenure of municipality and corporation are both 5 years. Municipality and corporation tenure is 5 years. Next is the officer. The officer for municipality and corporation is the commissioner. The commissioner is the officer for municipality and corporation. Commissioner, C-O-M-M-I-S-S-I-O-N-E-R. Commissioner, C-O-M-M-I-S-S-I-O-N-E-R. Commissioner. Moving on to the fifth question. The revenue. Revenue is in the form of taxes. For municipality, house tax, and for corporation, it is professional tax. Revenue is house tax, corporation is professional tax. There are many taxes available to the municipality and corporation, but we will write only one among them. Moving on to Roman number 4, answer in brief. Question number 1. What are the duties of corporation? I repeat, what are the duties of corporation? First point, constructing and maintaining city roads. Constructing and maintaining city roads. C-O-N-S-T-R-U-C-T-I-N-G, constructing, and maintaining, M-A-I-N-T-A-I-N-I-N-G, maintaining, M-A-I-N-T-A-I-N-I-N-G, maintaining city roads. Number 2, creating and maintaining parks. Number 2, creating and maintaining parks. C-R-E-A-T-I-N-G, creating. C-R-E-A-T-I-N-G, creating parks. P-A-R-K-S, parks, creating and maintaining parks. Number 3, providing drinking water facility. Providing drinking water facility. Number 4, removing garbage. Number 4, removing garbage. What are the duties of corporation? Constructing and maintaining city roads, creating and maintaining parks, providing drinking water facility, removing garbage. The structure of local bodies. Write the structure of local bodies. The answer is, the structure of local bodies is divided into 2. Urban local bodies and rural local bodies. Urban local bodies are divided into corporation, municipality, town panchayat. I repeat, urban local bodies are divided into corporation, municipality and town panchayat. Rural local bodies are divided into district panchayat, panchayat union and village panchayat. District panchayat, panchayat union and village panchayat. Moving on to question number 3. What is the total number of corporations in Tamil Nadu? What is the total number of corporations in Tamil Nadu? The answer is, the total number of corporations in Tamil Nadu is 15. The total number of corporations in Tamil Nadu is 15. Chennai being the oldest. The total number of corporations in Tamil Nadu is 15. Chennai being the oldest. Question number 4. What are the sources of income of municipality? I repeat, what are the Sources of income of municipality. The answer is money from central and state government as grants. Money from central and state government as grants. Money from the people as taxes. Money from the people as taxes. 2 points are there. Money from central and state government as grants. Money from the people as taxes. Dear children, with this we come to the end of the third unit. I will be giving you the answers in image format. You can copy from that. Learn thoroughly all the questions that are discussed. There will be a test coming up and prepare for that. Thank you children. Stay blessed. Stay safe.